Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance Event only ways. Open the Binance app, sign in, and go to the Events tab immediately. Tap the active event, read all rules, and confirm eligibility. Complete any required tasks like trading, staking, or quiz participation exactly as stated. Track your progress in the event panel and claim rewards promptly once distribution is announced to avoid missing any deadlines. First, read the event rules thoroughly and note deadlines and task specifics. Next, prepare your account. Enable 2FA, complete KYC, and check sufficient balances for trades or stakes. Follow each instruction exactly, using the official event page as your guide, and keep records of confirmation screens or transaction ID. Watch the event timer and submit required actions before it ends to secure your spot and potential rewards. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep because they seal tightly, stack neatly, and save time when juggling crypto tasks and lunches. They make on-the-go trading days less messy and more organized, which feels surprisingly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, first double-check the event conditions and your account status. Many issues arise from incomplete KYC, regional restrictions, or missteps, so address those quickly. If trades or stakes didn't register, gather screenshots and transaction ID to submit a support request. Be patient with response times and follow up with clear evidence. This approach increases the chance of resolving disputes and securing any rightful rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.